Yeah. All right, so we're gonna test things out real quick. I'm just gonna put a cut shiner or cut sucker, whatever, down here. Let's see, right? Let's see if it's here. We don't know. We're here to try, okay? We just gotta go through all these thorns to get our shiner. Hey, that was easy. Oh. Yeah. This is the one you caught too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's the chunky one.
Good.
No kaya, see?
Beautiful.
Yep. So now, thank you, fish, for your life. Cut you real quick. Okay. Go. So the season's a little early, but it doesn't hurt to try. They might be here. We'll just give it a shot. Just like that. Nice and bloody, okay? How I like it. What we're gonna do, since we're on a boat, we don't have to cast, but we're gonna drop it straight down, right? It's about 10 feet here, so should be good right there. I guess we'll go from the back of the boat. Well, you know what? Let's cast it just a little bit. No way it doesn't. The boat doesn't sway the line as much. Okay. It is still dancing nice. You're on, dude. Slow down. Let run. It's bigger, dude.
Doesn't go at all?
No. Just keep touching on them. Yeah, it's a softer rod, so just keep the touching on them. That's a catfish. Oh my god.
Oh.
That's a channel right there.
I looked up because the rod was like making noises and like it was just like going down.
I got you.
Ooh.
It's recording. Let's go, my guy. Woo! Yep. Yeah, they fight hard here, so. Oh, jeez. That's a good fish. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna land it back here, okay? So you're gonna come up here with me. Yeah, come up here with me so I can help you.
Oh, right there.
It's a nice one, bro.
Channel?
Yep, channel. Female. Nice female, too. Yeah, she's not gonna put up too much fight because she's, you know.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's nice, dude. Oh!
Was this like the size we lost yesterday?
Yeah, oh no. Yeah, that's a good size, yep. That's a really nice channel, bro.
That's it.
On the smaller piece of meat.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
On the golden shiner.
Yep.
Bro.
We're on them. Alright, let's not celebrate too soon, okay? We gotta let them first. Yeah, you're good. Yep, you're good. That's a female right there. Beautiful fish, bro.
Oh,
beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just let us do his name, okay? Don't freak it out. So it's a big mama, dude. Big mama. Why is it so big? Look at that thing.
This is insane.
Look at that thing, dude. Look at that.
Dude.
What? First channel, Wisconsin.
Bro.
Don't lip it. We'll crush your thumb, okay?
Oh, I'm not gonna lip.
You know what? You should lip it.
Just put your whole hand in it.
Yeah, that's insane, dude.
We just landed my first Wisconsin catfish.
Oh my.
Channel cat.
Yeah.
That's like a 10-pounder.
Yeah.
probably.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a 10-pounder for sure.
Dang.
Ooh. We'll just put it in a net for now. Just stop bleeding all over the place. Just so she relax a little bit.
Yeah.
I'll get my phone and I'll take some pictures. Beautiful fish. Get behind the boat. Where did I put my phone? Did it fall in the water?
Alright, let's release her.
Yep. Let her calm down and we'll release her when you're ready, okay?
Yeah.
How, dude?
I was not expecting that.
I wasn't either. I was hoping for just an arm size one, just about okay, they're here. But this is big.
This is on the bigger
Yeah,
side?
this is good. This is actually really good. But she's ready to go, so whenever you're ready, I don't know if you need video or whatever, but
I have my chest.
okay.
Whenever you're ready, we just release her like
Yeah,
this.
just grab her tail, just grab her tail and just let her go. That way she smells time. Yep.
Alright.
She's strong. So.
She is. At least she's full of energy. That means she's ready to go. Okay, ready?
Yep. Just let her go when you're ready.
One last look at you. Thanks for the fight.
She's off.
She's off. Dude, that was awesome.
That's a tank.
That is a tank.
Jeez. Got Lulu, hello.